Hi, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative. Welcome to another week in my mini happy planner. This is the first week in October and I'm using the new printable kit from my shop this month. And I'm also going to try and use these leftovers from last month, the bow boxes. I don't know why I didn't get to, I don't know, they just didn't make it to a layout. So I may try those. And I showed you the stickers or the printables from this kit. I printed them in 2 different sizes, and I did not have, I wanted to use like this, I wanted brown on my layout. I didn't have any washi, so I am using, this is the printable paper from this month's kit, and it's printed on vellum, and it's actually leftover pieces from the dashboard that I made. Like I made a monthly dashboard. I did that video. It's like the monthly setup video, but these are leftover strips from that, and I am just going to use them as washi since they're printed on vellum. So I put a piece at the top and a piece at the bottom, and I really like the way it came out. I will be trying this technique again. Like if I have any pattern paper that I like, I'll just print it on vellum and use it as washi, because I don't know, sometimes me and washi just do not get along. I love the look of washi, but trying to put it down every week sometimes is a bit much. And then this pink washi, I think this is like my 3rd week in a row using that pink washi. It's just perfect for that little divider on this layout. And I also think I used that gold, actually that pink and the gold on the sides is from the Maggie Holmes Marigold collection. Like they come in a washi set. It's about 5 or 6 of them in that one little box. And I guess I need to find some more like neutral washi, because I think that's why I like using this on the edges. It just gives, I don't know, it gives the planner page a finished edge, or finished look. And I'm just trimming down the edges, because I didn't worry about cutting the vellum. I didn't worry about cutting it in perfect strips. I just kind of glued it to the edge because I knew I could trim it off later. And I like the overall look of this pink and brown. It does have like a fall vibe to it, and it matches this month's collection. And I'm just adding this washi up the sides. All right, now that the washi situation is all handled, I am ready to start planning, and I'm just digging for some boxes to use. These boxes are from, they're not a printable, they're stickers from, I think like the last set that I released. I think one was called Create and Good Vibes or something, but it was like a set that had these boxes on them. So I've been using these, and I'm trying to arrange the boxes. I want to kind of leave more space to write on Tuesday and Thursday, so that's why I was trying to moving around, trying to see where I want things, because Tuesday is kind of like my big work day, or I do a lot of my tasks on Tuesday. And I'm just trying to, there I go again with that those bow boxes. I don't know why, I don't know if I printed them too big. I did use them like in other spaces in my planner, but they just never made it to a layout. So I think I may try and reprint them a little smaller and use them on another layout or something. And now I'm just adding my days of the week. I just add the days. I do not date my planner. I don't date my planner until I actually sit down either Sunday night or Monday morning and fill out my tasks for the week. I don't know, kind of like if I don't sit down and do it that Sunday night, and I can still reuse that layout for another week. So that's why I don't do dated. And I was struggling a little bit with this layout. I think because I wanted to use I guess I just wanted to use everything on this one layout, and trying to fit everything was getting, I don't know, too much. I do love over the top spreads, but with this insert, I do have to make sure that there's room to write. So I made rethink the insert that I'm using, because I love over the top spreads, and I don't really like the fact that I have to make sure, you know, there's room to write. Oh, and I'm making a little cluster with these this flower and these little scissors. And when I added those scissors to the kit, they were kind of an afterthought, but they have been my favorite little thing to use. I love tucking them inside of and behind things. And at those bottom boxes, I'm just adding the menu for the week, self-care, and exercise. And I do have to admit, like the last 2 weeks, I did not use that little exercise box. I didn't exercise. I think I end up writing my evening chores in that spot.